This is the Merrill G-121 hydrant head. Now this is for the 1-inch high flow industrial any flow hydrants. Now with the complete head, what you get is the hose thread adapter, of course the cast iron head itself, the handle, the lever bolt and nut. Also get the 2 draw straps for those 2 metal plates right there. You get your pivot connector and the packing nut. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of the head, starting with an outer diameter here at the base where it's going to connect to the pipe. So outer diameter, measuring straight across. We're going to be right at about 2.5 inches. And then inner diameter at the threads is going to be right at about 1.5 inches. Now I know it's a little hard to see on the camera. You can see in there there's female or internal threads. That's what's going to connect this hydrant to the pipe. And then inside here, that is where that big long rod that goes down into the ground, is where that rod's going to thread into. And once again, this is the Merrill G-121 complete hydrant head.